Best affordable large checked luggage sets for family trips is the ultimate game changer for those who need maximum space without breaking the bank. When you're packing for the whole crew and heading out on a family vacation, you need heavy-duty gear that can handle rough baggage handlers, hold massive amounts of gear, and still fit your budget. In today's video, we're breaking down the top-rated luggage collections that combine rugged durability and spacious interiors with unbeatable value. These picks are hand-selected for their smooth gliding wheels, secure TSA locks, and family-friendly pricing, making them perfect for keeping your next trip organized and affordable. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and reviews. Now, let's get started and find the perfect luggage set to make your next family adventure stress-free. Number 1. Millenia Luggage Set 7-Piece Suitcase Set. If you were looking for a complete all-in-one travel solution, this 7-piece set is an exceptional choice. Built with a rugged, hard shell, it ensures your belongings remain safely protected from the inevitable bumps and drops of transit. The multi-directional spinner wheels provide incredibly smooth and effortless mobility through crowded airport terminals, while the built-in TSA lock offers vital security and peace of mind. Despite its robust construction, the lightweight design effectively minimizes travel strain, allowing you to pack more without exceeding weight limits. Featuring an elegant black-brown color palette, it delivers a highly professional and stylish appearance. The variety of sizes included ensures you are perfectly equipped for any journey, whether it's a quick weekend getaway or an extended international vacation. It genuinely transforms packing into a highly organized, stress-free, and thoroughly enjoyable experience. Number 2. Light Flight Luggage Set's 3-Piece Durable Suitcase Set. Engineered for frequent travelers who prioritize durability and ease of use, this premium 3-piece collection includes versatile 20, 24, and 28-inch suitcases. Each piece features an incredibly tough, hard shell that shields your valuables from unsightly scratches and heavy impacts. Navigating bustling travel hubs becomes entirely effortless thanks to the exceptionally responsive spinner wheels that glide smoothly across surfaces. Security is elevated with integrated TSA-approved locks, ensuring hassle-free airport inspections. The striking royal blue color not only looks remarkably sophisticated, but also stands out instantly on busy baggage carousels, saving you precious time. Balancing a lightweight build with heavy-duty resilience, these suitcases offer a comfortable and dependable grip. This set is an ideal investment for families and long-distance commuters seeking a perfect harmony of strength, modern style, and everyday functionality. Number 3. Joyway Luggage Set's 6-Piece with Detachable Spinner Wheels. This innovative 6-piece set introduces a brilliant blend of flexibility and protection for modern adventurers. A standout feature is the unique detachable spinner wheels, which glide quietly through airports and can be easily removed for compact storage or to prevent transit damage. The ultra-lightweight yet sturdy hardshell offers formidable defense against rough handling, keeping your fragile items secure. With a reliable TSA lock built right in, your peace of mind is guaranteed during international flights. The vibrant green exterior brings a refreshing aesthetic, making your bags remarkably easy to spot from a distance. Designed for smart space saving, each suitcase nests neatly inside the larger one when not in use. It is a highly practical, reliable, and comfortable companion that effortlessly accommodates all your diverse packing requirements. Number 4. Isa Luggage Set's 5-Piece Hard Case Suitcase Set. Designed to deliver a seamless and stress-free journey, this comprehensive 5-piece luggage collection brings incredible convenience to your travels. The set features 3 distinct suitcase sizes wrapped in an exceptionally strong hard-shell exterior, guarding your essentials against structural damage. Equipped with advanced 360-degree spinner wheels, it allows you to move fluidly in any direction without extra physical exertion. The integrated TSA lock streamlines security checkpoints, offering top-tier protection without added complexity. Its sleek and modern black finish effortlessly conceals minor scratches while maintaining a sophisticated high-end look. The clever lightweight engineering ensures that lifting and overhead loading remain easy and strain-free. For travelers seeking a perfect balance of long-term durability and daily convenience, this reliable set proves to be an outstanding companion. Number 5. Travelers Club Cosmo Luggage Black 2-piece set, offering a highly practical combination of a 28-inch checked bag and a 20-inch carry-on. This 2-piece set focuses heavily on maximizing internal space and mobility. The durable hard-shell construction successfully defends your packed items against the harsh realities of baggage handling. Featuring exceptionally smooth rolling wheels and robust handles, moving through tight spaces and airport lines feels remarkably secure. The deep, spacious interior features smart pockets to keep your garments meticulously organized. Its timeless black finish provides a universally stylish look that complements any travel attire while effectively hiding dirt. Additionally, the smaller suitcase stores perfectly inside the larger one, optimizing your home storage space. It is a lightweight, cost-effective, and highly reliable choice, tailored beautifully for frequent flyers. Number 6. Level 8 Grace Luggage Sets Hard-Shell Suitcase with Wheels. If luxury, elegance, and high-performance engineering are what you seek, this champagne-colored 3-piece set truly delivers. The premium heavy-duty hard-shell design is structurally reinforced to absorb heavy impacts, keeping your valuables pristine. It features an expandable design, giving you the much-needed extra packing capacity for souvenirs and clothes. The 20-inch carry-on is precision-sized to fit overhead compartments seamlessly, while the larger checked bags handle long trips with ease. Security is managed flawlessly by integrated TSA locks, and the ultra-smooth spinner wheels guarantee near-silent, effortless movement. The champagne finish offers a clean, sophisticated aesthetic that stands out with quiet elegance. With its highly organized interior compartments and comfortable ergonomic telescopic handles, this set elevates your overall travel experience to a premium level.
Number 7. Delcy Paris Helium Aero Hardside Expandable Luggage. Renowned for its superior craftsmanship, this premium blue cobalt 3-piece set combines beautiful aesthetics with rugged functionality. The high-quality hard-side shell is deeply resilient, protecting your fragile items from severe pressure. Its smooth, quiet-running spinner wheels offer incredible multi-directional movement, making transit lines completely effortless. When you require extra packing room, the clever expandable feature provides immediate additional volume without compromising structural integrity. The brilliant blue cobalt color looks incredibly modern and ensures your luggage is immediately recognizable on the carousel. Ergonomic handles make lifting heavy loads comfortable, while the meticulously designed interior dividers keep your clothing completely secure and wrinkle-free. It is a premier choice for serious travelers who want to eliminate transit stress and travel with absolute confidence. Number 8. Samsonite Octave Lightweight Hard Shell 3-piece Luggage Set. Representing the pinnacle of impact resistance and modern design, this aluminum silver set is a powerhouse of durability. It is equipped with advanced 360-degree aero track spinner wheels that provide unparalleled smoothness and dampen out vibrations on uneven surfaces. The adjustable telescopic handle conforms perfectly to your height, ensuring an ergonomic grip. Its cutting-edge hard-shell material absorbs shocks efficiently, defending your electronics and gear from rough airport handling. The expandable compartments offer massive storage flexibility, while the TSA-approved lock satisfies strict airport security standards. Featuring a stunning futuristic silver aesthetic, this set radiates professional quality. It is incredibly lightweight, helping you easily bypass strict airline weight limitations while offering maximum protection for long, demanding international journeys.
Number 9. Cool Life Luggage Sets Checked Suitcases 2-piece. Providing an exceptionally reliable travel experience, this 2-piece set features a highly functional 20-inch carry-on and a massive 29-inch checked suitcase. The rugged hard-side material is specifically built to withstand intense wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. With its highly flexible, expandable design, you can easily increase your packing space whenever needed. Navigating busy terminals is a breeze thanks to the smoothly gliding spinner wheels that distribute weight evenly. The secure TSA lock keeps your personal items completely safe from unauthorized access. Boasting a classic, minimalist black design, it looks incredibly sharp and stays clean throughout demanding trips. The interior features neatly organized compartments, making packing a quick and intuitive process. It is a wonderful, highly durable option for both brief corporate trips and extensive vacations. Number 10. Kroot Zipperless Luggage Set 2 Pieces Aluminum Frame Suitcase. Redefining luggage security and strength, this premium 2-piece set features an advanced zipperless design built around a heavy-duty aluminum frame. The polycarbonate hard shell offers incredible impact resistance, creating a virtually impenetrable shield for your valuables. By eliminating traditional zippers, it provides ultimate protection against theft in harsh weather using secured dual TSA locks instead. The multi-directional spinner wheels ensure highly responsive and silent mobility across any airport terminal floor. Its sleek, all-black professional appearance makes a powerful statement, perfect for business travelers and luxury enthusiasts alike. The spacious interior is beautifully tailored with premium dividers to keep your items perfectly in place. If you were searching for a modern, ultra-secure, and structurally superior luggage system, this zipperless masterpiece is the ultimate choice.
Thanks so much for watching. If today's review helped you get a clearer idea of what you need for your upcoming family trips, give the video a like and consider subscribing. I share simple, honest reviews to help you choose smarter and save more on your travel gear. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop your questions or your favorite luggage choices in the comments. Until next time, take care, safe travels, and see you in the next video.